Hello everyone, this is Harshita from CAD NEST. So today in this video, let us learn how to crop a picture into a shape in MS PowerPoint. So here first you'll have to insert a picture. You'll have to go to Insert tab and then click on Picture. Then select a picture. I'm selecting a picture over here, double clicking on it. So as soon as I double clicked on it, you can see the picture appeared on the slide. So now I'm clicking on the picture, and if I right click on it, you can see that I will get change picture option. It is to change the picture, and here you can find crop. So this is to crop the picture size, and then I can save. I'll show you how to crop the same picture to the shapes. So when I click on the picture, you can see I have got extra tab over here. It is format. You can see there is crop option over here. When I go to crop, you can see there is an option called crop to shape. Over here I can select the shape which I want. So as soon as I click on that particular shape, it will get fixed to the particular shape. So can you see that the picture is getting fixed to the shape which I give. So here for such type of shapes, you will have an option to increase the angle or decrease the angle. So this is how to crop a picture or to convert the picture into shape size. Hope this video will be helpful. For more videos, do subscribe our channel. Thank you.